How to change location in Royal Match. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the location or add another location. First of all, open your application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. So you're in your settings interface, but there is no such option as changing location or region in the game. So Royal Match doesn't give you any options or settings like that. So what's the solution for this? The only solution is by using a VPN. So I'm going to show you which VPN to use. Now, first of all, you must install this Proton VPN. Try installing this Proton VPN, which is a free VPN app. Now, just log into the VPN and tap on this connect button. So it will take some time, and now you're connected into a different server. So you can restart the game and you can play again with a different location. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.